A bandsaw is a power-packed metal or wood cutting tool. Whether you have renovations planned, carpentry tasks to perform, or electrical maintenance to complete, a bandsaw will help you to work faster and smarter. There you go, those are my top 5 picks for the best bandsaw, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bandsaw from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Makita XBP02Z Cordless Portable Bandsaw. The Makita XBP02Z Cordless Portable Bandsaw is an excellent power tool for and professional metalworkers. As the bandsaw is engineered for a wide range of metal cutting tasks such as metal building, metal fabrication, electrical and plumbing projects, you can use it for unistrits, conduits, pipes, sheet metal, square tubing, and even more. You will be able to work faster and smarter with the Makita XBP02Z. The bandsaw has a strong Makita-built no-load 6-speed 275 to 530 SFPM high-torque motor. Its reliable 18-volt slide-style battery has the fastest charge time in its class and can reach a full charge in only 45 minutes. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita's inbuilt star protection technology protects against overloading, overdischarging, and overheating. The bandsaw can be used with other Makita batteries that have a star symbol on the battery. Safety features include a safety lock trigger switch, a built-in LED light, and an adjustable foot that protects your material and provides positive support for accurate cuts. For quick and easy storage, there is a removable hook and onboard wrench storage. To keep the bandsaw safe in rough working conditions, the thick rubber bumper protects the tool, and the externally accessible brushes ensure greater serviceability. The bandsaw can be purchased as a tool only or in a full kit. The kit includes two 18 VLXT lithium-ion 5.0 Ah batteries, BL1850B, and 18 VLXT lithium-ion rapid optimum charger, DC18RC, a 44/7/8" 18 TPI bandsaw blade, 792,556A, and a sturdy tool bag. Makita offers a 30-day money-back or replacement guarantee and a 3-year warranty. Next on our list is the DEWALT Portable Bandsaw. The DEWALT Portable Bandsaw is the perfect tool for tough metalwork and woodworking projects. The bandsaw has a sturdy steel shroud and a powerful 10-amp motor that allows the blade to make quick cuts without getting bogged down. Highly versatile, you can change the variable speed 100/350 SFPM dial to suit stainless steel, ferrous metal, or wood cutting applications. As the DEWALT is a deep cut saw, it offers a good 5-inch capacity when working with round stock and a 5x 3/4 capacity when working with rectangular stock. The bandsaw has a blade tracking adjustment for accurate cuts and a dual blade guide for improved blade alignment. The blade tension changing lever makes the blade changes quick and easy. If you have to work in low light environments, the bright LED light allows you to see the cutting area clearly. Featuring an ergonomic design, the saw has an oversized multi-position front handle, and the well-balanced body improves comfort and reduces user fatigue. You can use the integrated hook to store the bandsaw for easy access. The cordless portable bandsaw comes with a hex wrench, a standard 44.875x 500x.020-inch blade, and a kit box. DEWALT offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, a 3-year limited warranty, and a 1-year free service contract. If you want extra portability, DEWALT also makes a cordless, battery-powered bandsaw. Coming in at number 3 is the BOSCH GCB 10.5 Deep Cut Bandsaw. Whether you're a home improvement enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, the BOSCH GCB 10.5 Deep Cut Bandsaw is a powerful and accurate cutting tool. The Deep Cut Bandsaw provides nearly spark-free cuts for safer metal cutting operation. You can also rely on it to create clean and highly precise cuts up to 4 3/4 inches on various metal materials, such as rebar, conduit, and copper pipes on a single pass. As the saw has a robust 10-amp motor and 6 speeds that range from 100 to 380 SFPM, you have plenty of power and speed to complete a wide range of projects. The ergonomic bandsaw has a well-balanced housing, and it is lightweight and easy to use. You can even use it to cut metal pipes over your head. The auxiliary side handle allows for a more secure two-handed operation for bigger jobs and makes the tool even easier to carry. For great visibility in low light conditions, the bright LED light illuminates the cut line for increased cutting accuracy, and the tool has a storage hook. The BOSCH GCB 10.5 bandsaw also comes with an 18 TPI 44/7/8 inch blade. BOSCH offers a 1-year warranty on its bandsaw. At number 4, we have the Grizzly G0555, the ultimate 14-inch bandsaw. Whether you are a renovation dealer or a professional carpenter, the Grizzly G0555, the ultimate 14-inch bandsaw, is a quiet, fast, and smooth-running machine. This versatile bandsaw delivers accurate cuts, crosscuts, resaws, curves, circles, and decorative scroll cuts. It has a strong 1 HP 1500-3200 FPM motor, a throat distance of 13.5 inch, and a maximum cutting height of 6 inches, and the saw cuts quickly through hardwood without any blade drift or deflection. The 14x 14-inch table tilts 45 degrees right and 15 degrees to the left, and it is very easy to adjust manually. Built for hard work, the Grizzly bandsaw has computer-balanced aluminum wheels with rubber tires, a solid cast iron table, and the serpentine belt and all-ball bearing construction reduces vibration. The heavy-gauge cast iron open-frame stand is sturdy and strong, and the powder-coated paint ensures long-term durability. Additional handy features include a deluxe adjustable extruded aluminum T-shaped fence that has a magnified cursor scale for fast and accurate adjustments, a miter gauge, and a 3/8 inch blade. Grizzly offers a 1-year warranty on its bandsaw. Last, number 5, Wen 3962 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw. With loads of power and a spacious work table, the Wen 3962 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw delivers a reliable and accurate cutting performance. The extra powerful 3.5 amp 15-20-26 20 SFPM motor allows the blade to glide effortlessly through thick boards to make cuts that are up to 6 inch deep in a single pass. Its deep 9 3/4 inch throat means the bandsaw can be used with more wood than other 10-inch saws. The ball bearings allow the 10-inch wheels to operate smoothly for years of long-lasting, reliable operation. You can make intricate and powerful cuts as the saw can be used with 72-inch blades that measure from 1/8 1/2 inch in size. The spacious 14x12 1/2 inch tilting work table makes bevel cuts from 0 to 45 degrees. The sturdy, easy-to-assemble 25-inch stand elevates the bandsaw without sacrificing space in your workshop. If you have to work in low-light conditions, the bandsaw has a work light with an independent power switch. For a cleaner workspace, the bandsaw has a 3-in-1 dust port. The bandsaw comes with a sliding miter gauge, an onboard measuring guide, and a 3/8 inch 6 TPI blade. Wen offers its bandsaw in 3 sizes, 9, 10, and 14 inch. The bandsaw is covered by a 2-year warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make